What are the plants that are good for air purification? So in our gardens we have many plants growing, and there are air purification plants that are best for our gardens, especially if you are keeping them indoors. So this is a rubber plant, and this rubber plant grows really well with a single stem, and also this you can bring down from a nursery. Now this is one of the plants that purifies the air. So I do love keeping this plant in my home garden as a air purification plant and also a decorative plant. Having syngonium plants also in your garden is really very beneficial. These plants are also said to purify the air, and also one of the best indoor plant, really very fast growing and hard to kill. They also can be grown from stems. I have them in many pots and as an indoor plant and also outdoor plant. So this is one of the plants, very hardy plant, and can be grown even by stems. Wonderful plant that purifies the air. Money plant also known for the purification of air, because this is also one of the feng shui plants, one of the indoor plant, and also you can grow them really very fast in water and propagate them easily by stems. So this is another plant that is said to purify the air. This is golden pothos in front of my house, and I have them in my small pots and bottles, even in water propagated. So this is another beautiful plant which purifies the air. Air purification plants. So the best plant is peace lily. So here I have some peace lily in my garden. I grew them in bigger pots. I got this down from a friend of mine some time back, and now I have multiplied this plant. So I have another pot, and these plants are easy to grow from bulbs and divide them and multiply. So this is another beautiful indoor plant, air purification plant. So keep them around your home for the purification of air. So these plants also prefer the semi-shade. Give them well draining soil, and time to time fertilizer will do. So any organic fertilizer you can use for these plants. Sansevieria, this is another variety of snake plant. So these plants are also said to purify the air, because they produce carbon dioxide in the night as well. So this is a must-have plant in your garden. There are many varieties of these snake plants, so you can have them around your garden or in your home for better results. So grow them in small pots, or as an indoor plant, as an outdoor plant, so because they are said to purify the air. Keeping aloe vera plants also in your garden is a great benefit, because they are medicinal plant, and also we use them in our self-caring, in facials, and also in hair care. So this beautiful plant is a natural hormone for plants too. So this plant also purifies the air and is one of the best purification plants. So have it in your home garden. Out of the collection of air purifying plants in my garden, I really do love this spider plant. Spider plant you can grow from spider babies. These are the spider babies. So multiply these plants, because they are air purification plants. They are beneficial for your home, and they purifies the air. So that is what is called as multiply these plants and keep them around your home in the garden, and also as an indoor plant. So I of course grow them in bigger pots, and some of them are indoor plants, some of them are outdoor plants. So keep these plants in your home for purify the air. These plants are really very easy to grow and easy to care.